What's up, everybody? Dan Warby with Keller Williams, West Ventura County here. Hope everyone's doing great. Two articles caught my attention this week. The first one was an article talking about how a lot of people in new construction contracts are canceling because materials costs are spiking right now. A lot of that can be attributed to the supply chain shocks from COVID and the uncertainty around where we're going long term with the tariffs. But ultimately, in the long term, we're going to see lumber and material prices going up pretty consistently. The second was an article about 3D printed homes really taking off. These huge printers lay down layer after layer of concrete to form a structure just like their smaller counterparts lay down layer after layer of plastic. When you really think about what that means for the long-term health of the housing market, it's pretty game-changing. Just diversifying the materials from just lumber to a mix of lumber and concrete construction really changes the supply chain. I mean, imagine being able to rebuild on burn lots with very flame retardant construction, or single family homes that are built to be earthquake resistant without spiking construction costs. What would it do to the labor market if maybe 5 or 6 people could do the lion's share of work 3D printing a whole subdivision? Or what happens when you can flip through a catalog of pre-approved, by the city architecture options that you license and hire a small crew to print on your raw land as easily as you can buy a pair of shoes on Zappos? The permitting process is a huge drag on new construction and it adds a lot of costs. I guess my point in all this is that we really don't think about emergent technology as affecting the housing market all that much, especially in the actual construction of new property. But with the coupling of AI and robotics coming online, that really has the potential to change all that. When we developed the catalytic converters, it threw a lot of long-term planning out the window back in the 70s. This feels a lot like that to me, where we're just starting to see the ripple effects, and it's going to be super interesting to watch how it all develops. Anyway, I hope all that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an awesome rest of your week, everybody.